In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Analytic Accounting in Odoo. To get started, open the Accounting app in Odoo. This is where you'll manage the financial side of your system, including the Analytic Accounting features we're enabling in this walkthrough. Once you're in Accounting, go to Configuration and then Settings. In the Settings page, scroll until you find the Analytics section. Here, enable Analytic Accounting and then click Save. This step is important because Analytic Accounting features won't be available until this option is turned on. After that, go to Configuration and open Analytic Plans. Analytic Plans help you organize how analytic accounts are grouped and used, so they provide the structure behind your reporting and allocation setup. Click New to create a new analytic plan and enter the plan name. When naming it, choose something clear and meaningful so it's easy to identify later, especially if your company uses more than one plan. Next, configure the plan. Set the default applicability to optional, mandatory, or unavailable, depending on how strictly you want users to assign analytic values. You can also configure the parent, color, and any applicability rules if needed. These options help tailor the plan to your organization's workflow and reporting needs. Once the plan is ready, go to Configuration and open Analytic Accounts. This is where you'll create the specific accounts that will receive allocated costs or revenues. Click New and enter the analytic account name, then select the appropriate plan for that account. If needed, you can also fill in additional fields like customer, reference, company, and currency. These extra details can help keep your records organized and make the account easier to identify in day-to-day use. When everything looks correct, save the new analytic account. Now you're ready to use it in a transaction. Open an existing customer invoice or vendor bill, or create a new one, and add your transaction lines as usual. On the invoice or bill line, click into the Analytic Distribution column. This is where you assign the amount to one or more analytic accounts. Choose the appropriate analytic account under its analytic plan. Then enter the percentage you want to allocate. If necessary, you can split the distribution across multiple analytic accounts, which is useful when a single cost or revenue needs to be tracked across different departments, projects, or business activities. Finally, complete the invoice or bill and post it normally. Once posted, the related costs or revenues can be tracked through Analytic Accounting, giving you more detailed insight into performance beyond standard financial reporting. Thanks for watching.